Good morning, respected parents and dear students. Welcome to your computer class. Today, I am going to start Chapter 5, which is Looping Statements in QBASIC. In this chapter, we will learn about Introduction to Loops, some important looping statements like for next loop and do loop, how to exiting from a loop. All these points will be discussed in this chapter. Before going to start, let's know about introduction of QBASIC. First of all, QBASIC stands for Quick Beginners All Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. QBASIC is a high-level programming language developed by Microsoft. By using QBASIC, we can write, edit, debug and execute simple programs with the help of statements. In QBASIC, there are many statements for different purposes like print statement. This statement is used to display the values of variables on the output screen. Rim statement. This statement is used to display the command in the program section without executing. CLS statement. This statement is used to clear the output screen. Let statement is used to assign a value to a variable. Input statement is used to take a value from the user and store it in the variable. If then else statement. This statement is a conditional statement that executes a set of statements depending upon a condition. Come to the introduction to loops. During programming, we may want to repeat the execution of certain set of statements multiple times. For this purpose, we use loop. Loop is used to repeat the execution of set of statements many times. Looping statements are for next loop, do loop. For next loop, it is used when you want to execute group of statements to be a specific number of times, like 5 times, 10 times, 20 times and so on. The general form of for next statement is for counter, initial value to final value, step values. Loop body comprises a set of statements to be executed. Next counter. Mainly, for next statement contain initial and final values, increment of values and execution of statements. Here, counter means numeric variable that control the loops and hence is also called controller or index variable. Counter execute the given statement according to given number of times. Step value is the value by which the counter variable is incremented or decremented every time the loop body is executed. Step value depend upon the final value or initial value. If the initial value is less than the final value, the step value must be positive, or if the initial value is greater than final value, the step value must be negative, but step value never be 0. As you can see, for a is equal to 1 2 3, print hello next a. Here a is a controller variable or index variable or a variable which start from initial value 1 to final value 3. In this example, the program print hello in the output screen by the given condition. As you can see in the table, when the value of a is 1, condition true, output screen print hello. Again, value of a increased by 1, become 2, condition check, the condition also true. The output screen display again a new hello. Then value of a increase by 1, three is less than equal to 3, this condition is true. Then program again print hello in the output screen. Again, value of a increased by 1, 3 become 4, 4 is less than equal to 3, here is the condition false, hence the program stopped here and print finally 3 hello in the output screen. Mainly for next loop statement is used to repeat the given statement to a specific number of times. As you can see, this is the output screen which show the output of the given program. Next example is for x is equal to 1 to 5, print x, print next, print the loop has got over. Here the output screen display number of x from 1 to 5, then after display the result as the loop has got over, because here we use for next loop statement. By using this, we can display value of x according to given condition from 1 to 5. Using the step value, as we can discussed in the previous point, step value always positive or negative, never be 0. It depends upon initial and final values. By default, the initial value is 1. Here is an example which show step value 2. For x is equal to 1 to 10, step 2, print x, next x. This example display the number from 1 increment by 2 in the output screen, like 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 2, 11. 11 never come in the output section because the final value ended at 10. Next one example is x is equal to 10 to 1, step minus 2, print x, next x. This program display only the number from 10 to 1 which is decreased by 2, like 10, then 8, then 6, then 4 and 2. This is the examples of For next statements, as you can see, here is an example. I is equal to 1 to 2, step value 0.25, मीन टू से 0.25 से इंक्रीमेंट हो रहा है आई की वैल्यू. प्रिंट आई, नेक्स्ट आई, 1 आउटपुट स्क्रीन डिस्प्ले, 1, 1.25, 1.5, 1.75 and 2. After that the program stopped. Now let's try to solve practice zone. Consider the following program and choose the correct answer. Number 1, for I is equal to 1 to 10, step 2, print I, next I. The output of the program is A, all the even number from 1 to 10, all the odd number from 1 to 10. The result will be B, all odd numbers from 1 to 10. This represent the numbers starting from 1 and increased by 2. 1, then 3, then 5, then 7 and then 9. So the result will be 2, yani B. Next one question is, for A is equal to 50 to 1, step minus 1. Print A, next A. The output of the program is number from 1 to 50 in ascending order, numbers from 1 to 50 in descending order. The result will be B, like 50, 49, 48, 47 and so on till 1. That's all for today. In the next video, we will discuss some examples related to for next loop and rest of the portion of this chapter. Thanks for watching.